If you're choosing between Bluebeam Revu and AutoCAD, this is not a direct comparison. They're built for completely different parts of a workflow. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Bluebeam Revu is a PDF-based tool focused on markup, collaboration, and document review. It's widely used in construction and engineering to annotate drawings, add comments, perform measurements, and collaborate in real time. The biggest advantage is speed. You can open plans, mark them up, and share feedback instantly. But it's important to understand that Bluebeam is not a design tool. You can't create or modify actual CAD drawings from scratch. AutoCAD, on the other hand, is a full design and drafting software. It's used to create precise 2D and 3D drawings from the ground up. Engineers, architects, and designers use it to build everything from floor plans to mechanical parts. It's extremely powerful and precise, but also more complex and requires proper training to use effectively. So the real difference is this. Bluebeam is for reviewing and marking up drawings, while AutoCAD is for creating them. If your job is to review plans, collaborate with teams, and annotate PDFs, Bluebeam is a better tool. If your job is to design, draft, and build technical drawings, AutoCAD is essential. Bottom line, AutoCAD is a more powerful software overall, but Bluebeam is a better tool for collaboration and workflow efficiency. Most professionals actually use both together rather than choosing one over the other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.